If you're planning to develop software, having only a rough idea of what you want can lead to confusion, wasted time, and costly mistakes. That's why a Software Requirements Specification, or SRS, is so important. An SRS acts as the blueprint for your project, outlining exactly what the software should do, how it should perform, and how users will interact with it. So, how do you write an effective SRS? Start by creating a clear outline or use a template. Your document should include an introduction, the purpose of the software, who will use it, and any important definitions or acronyms. Next, define your product's purpose. What problem does it solve and who benefits from it? Then, break down your requirements. List functional requirements like features and user actions, as well as non-functional requirements such as performance, security, and usability. Don't forget to include any external integrations or interface needs. Set realistic project milestones and prioritize features to keep development on track. Before finalizing, review the document with stakeholders to catch any ambiguities or missing details. Best practices include using clear language, maintaining a logical structure, and adding diagrams for clarity. Tools like Modern Requirements for DevOps can help automate and streamline the process, making collaboration easier and ensuring everyone stays aligned. A well-written SRS keeps your project focused, reduces misunderstandings, and sets you up for success.